Here's a tip on how to maintain your machine, be more efficient, and have less downtime. So on this tip, we're gonna be looking at grip head usage and how are we spreading our shots out. So usually in cafes, baristas have a tendency on preferring certain grip heads depending on their position and your workflow. So let's imagine we have only 2 grips and we are 80% of the time using grip 1 and 20% of the time using grip 2 throughout the day. Now, every time we are putting a grip handle in and pulling a shot, the machine's taking a little bit of wear. Not a lot of damage, but just a little bit of wear. And over the course of hundreds or thousands of shots, parts will need to be replaced. And you kind of want all 3 to be used equally, so one grip, let's say your favorite grip, doesn't go before the other 2. So parts we can damage over time include, your shower screens, your seals, your solenoid, clicking on and off every time you pull a shot, your flow meter, your injector. Now often that needs cleaning because of the amount of water going through it. And talking about the grip you're not using, it also comes with its problems. If we have our first 2 grips constantly being used and constantly having water through them, the 3rd grip being neglected will have water just sitting in the grip head. That will cause a higher chance of it being scaled up, which causes further problems. Let's have a look on how this machine's been used and what grip heads are preferred. So we're gonna start off with grip 1. For our double shot, it's had 1600 coffees run through it. Our grip 2 has had 953 coffees run through it. And grip 3 has had 1400 coffee run through it. That's actually surprisingly consistent. I've seen a lot of examples where the difference between the grip heads were night and day, and that's what we want to try and avoid. So when we go back to our coffee machines, let's just show some love to the neglected grip head. And if you're in the rhythm of only using 2 grips out of your 3 grips, it's time to switch it up and help yourself and help the machine. Keep an eye out on Evolve North Coffee Roasters on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for more tips.